Hello learners, I hope you all are good. Very first thing is I would like to thank all of you that nowadays I am getting lots of views and lots of subscribers and many new students who are really willing to learn new things from me. Many emails I am receiving and I am very glad that I am there to help you out in this learning process. This video is about IELTS QCAR topic adventurous person. This is not only for the IELTS, it can be helpful in your Duolingo test as well, because in Duolingo also there is a task which is kind of QCAR where you have to speak for at least 1 to 3 minutes. In that you can utilize these words and expressions and phrasal verbs. So I want you all to take your pen and paper and note down each and every one. This video is little bit different from my regular videos because in other videos I am giving explanation, word meaning and sample sentences, but in this video I am not going to do spoon feeding. I want you to be active and try to find out the meaning and make the sentences. No doubt some of the words I am going to explain you in this video, but half of the words you have to find out the meaning and share that meaning and sentence in the comment section. So I want you to be very active and do this task very smartly. Okay, so note down all the words and vocabulary which you come across the video so that it will be helpful in your future. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. Now we will start our learning process. In upcoming video I am going to provide the activity list also. These are the words which are related to risk. Why risk? Because people who are adventurous, they like to take risk. So this word can be good to describe that kind of person. So very first word is risk seeker. Seeker means who like to take risk. Suppose we mostly use the word job seeker, means जिनको जॉब की ज़रूरत होती है, वैसे जो जॉब को सर्च कर रहे हैं, they are looking for the job. That way risk seeker is the person who is looking for the risk. They feel kind of kick in doing that kind of adventurous things. Okay, the very first word is risk seeker. For example, Mohit is risk seeker person. He always try to find out certain kind of activities which makes him feel the happiness. Okay, second word is risk averse. This word meaning you have to find out and post in the comment. Okay, this is also kind of describing word for the adventurous person. Next is the risk tolerant. That also you have to try to find out. Risk taker, we know it is very easy. The person who likes to take risk. Okay, you can also call them risk lover. Strength, we know the meaning. I want you to make the statement or sentence. Endurance, dangerous stunts. Those people who like to do the adventurous activity, they are also willing to do the dangerous stunts. In upcoming video I am going to give the list of the activities which are very useful for you to describe certain type of people and useful in the QCAR. Activities name which you can use in this QCAR. Okay, next one is extreme sports. Irresponsible, those people who are risk averse or risk seekers, they are, I think they are not ready to be irresponsible, because there is certain kind of responsibility. If you are putting your life in danger, then you have to be very sensible and responsible. Okay, sporty, the person who likes to do the sports, to them also we can describe with this word Rahul is very sporty kind of person. He always involved in certain activities. Now, phrasal verbs. Very first phrasal verb is to take up. This also you have to try to find out and make the sentence. Second one, give up. This is very common. Don't give up, we use many time. Next is work out. Work out to try to find out the solution. I need to work out on my vocabulary because I want to get 8 and above band in my IELTS. Okay. Next, now expressions. Expressions are small phrases, but you can use in your day-to-day communication very easily. Very first is to face danger. Those person who are risk lovers, they are ready to face danger. Second is to be under pressure. Many times we are under pressure when we have to face our fear. जब हमको हमारे फियर को फेस करना होता है, that time we are under pressure. Kind of when you are facing interview, job interview, your viva or speaking test of IELTS. Okay. Third one is to find a balance. This also you have to do to raise your standard of achievement. This is a long sentence expression. Raise your standard of achievement means you are challenging your own self. Once you have achieved 6 band in IELTS and then you are trying for achieving 7 or something, or in the daily life also, at your professional life, at your workplace, if you are doing something and you are trying to achieve more than you have achieved already, that time you can use this expression. Fifth one, to follow a strict routine. Obviously the adventurous people are very fit and find. Fit and find is also a phrase for those who are very healthy, who follow certain kind of routine. So they are having strict routine, they are very conscious about their diet also, exercise also, and they are living healthy lifestyle. So they follow a strict routine. To run wild, this you have to do. Next, to be willing to try new things. It is very common and I know you must be aware about this. Next is to overcome your fears. Obviously this is also very common, we are using in our daily life. Take risk, that is also common. Next is to get a thrill out of. This sentence you have to make and share in the comment section. To have a rush of adrenaline. This is very important because it is the word many times we see in the IELTS spoken cue card samples. If you go online and find out this word, you can see this. This is used by many of the sample writers. Okay. Basically it is commonly used in describing the physiological symptoms, okay, which is like heartbeats increase and we feel the frightening perspiration means पसीना होना, बहुत एनर्जी हाई हो जाती है जब हम बहुत डर जाते हैं, हमारे हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ जाते हैं, उस टाइम पे इस वर्ड को आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Next is to look for excitement, to win respect. Obviously the people who are very adventurous and they are taking risk and doing certain things which common people are not doing, they are earning the respect from the common people. Okay. Next is to meet new challenges. And the last one is to test your limits. Many times we test our limits when we are trying so hard to achieve something. Many times we have seen that many students are reading whole night before the exam. So that is, they are testing their limits, they are not taking rest. Actually we should not do like that, but this word you can use in certain type of sentences. I hope you like this video.